How to change CapCut language to English. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. Click on Settings like gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then in here, click on the first option. As you can see, it's different language now. In here, you'll find English. Click on English. After that, click on the top right corner of your screen, whatever the language is. And now as you can see, it has been changed into English. And the first option was app language. And in this way, you can change language. This is how to change language on CapCut to English. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.